Good afternoon all of you. Today is discussing about in situ conservation. In situ conservation. So what is a in situ conservation? So what is a in situ conservation? So threatened species. Threatened species and endangered species, threatened species and endangered species also collected from natural habits or habitat. The threatened species and endangered species are collected from the natural habitat and habitats, and they protecting a particular place. They protecting particularly some preservative, particularly some preservatives, using some preservatives. So that is the zoo or zoological parks. Particular place is zoo or zoological parks. Threatened species and endangered species also collected from the habitat or habit, and they protect a particular some preservatives. So particular preservatives, using particular preservatives. So that is called, the name is zoo or zoological parks. So that is the in situ conservation. So in particularly in the human care. It is also particular in human care. The preservatives are using in situ conservation, using the preservatives are the preservative techniques also called cryopreservations. Cryopreservatives. What is a cryopreservatives? In situ conservation using the preservative techniques, using the protected preservative techniques. So that is the cryopreservatives. And endangered species also collected from the habit and they protect to the preservatives. That is also cryopreservatives. An example, cryopreservatives having the main best example is the embryo. Best example is embryo, gametes, embryo, gametes, etc. So these are very important cryopreservatives. So these are collected from the humans, then care to human, and it is also preserved at 190 degrees Celsius. It is also preserved at 190 degrees Celsius. Okay. The next one is the IUCN. and Red Data Book. IUCN and Red Data Book. What is the IUCN? IUCN is International Union for Conservation of nature and natural resources. So IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. So that is a IUCN. Okay. So endangered species also protected the IUCN. All the threatened species are enlisted in the red data book. And next one is the red data book. All threatened species are enlisted in the red data book. Okay, so all threatened species also enlisted in the red data book, and it is also published by the IUCN. It is also published by IUCN. It is published by IUCN. And these species are classified into mainly different categories. It is also based on the degree of rising. And these species are classified into critically endangered species and vulnerable phases. So these species are entered into the red data book. These species are entered into the red data book. It is a very important 2 marks question also. It is a very important 2 marks question also. And next, and conservation of wildlife in India. Conservation of wildlife in India. And next one is the conservation of wildlife in India. The conservation of wildlife in India has mainly 3 types. First one, legalization and preservation organization. First one, legalization. Second one, preservation. And third one, organization. Okay, legalization, preservation, organization. So these are the mainly conservation of wildlife in India. So 1972 Act, 1972 Act, a Wildlife Act. The killing of endangered wild animals is strictly prohibited. Killing of endangered species. Killing of endangered species are strictly prohibited in Wildlife Act of 1972. And next, preservations. So national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves, sacred groves, also different regions which are emergent and protective places are the preservatives. These are the main protective preservatives. And next one is the organization. It is the mainly prevent wildlife organisms and wildlife protectively society in India, Dehradun and Kolkata, Geological Survey of India, Kolkata, and global necessity. It is a very important of organizations. So Dehradun, Kolkata, and global necessity. So these are the main organization protective areas. The animals protective, the conservation of wildlife in India. The threatened species in India are Panthera leo, and second one antelope, and third one aliens, macaca, Panthera tigris, and cervus, elephas, and Grus loris. So these are the Indian species. First one, threatened species in India is the Asian lion, that is the Panthera leo, black bug is the antelope, and red panda, Elurus, a lion-tailed macaca, a tiger, Panthera tigris, elephant, Elephas. So these are the endangered species or threatened species in India. So antelope, Elurus, macaca, Panthera tigris, Elephas. So these are the black bug, Asian lion, red panda, the lion tail, and tiger, elephant. So these are the threatened species in India.